Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to create life off of Infinite Craft. Now this is probably the easiest way. There's a lot of ways out there to create it, but this is the easiest way. So without further ado, let's go. You're going to need water and then fire on water to create volcano, lake to island, earth, wind to dust to island, sand, earth to sand to create desert, and earth and dust to create planet, and planet to Mars. We're almost there. And earth to, here you go, life. So that's it. That's how easy it is. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.